welcome. I'm so excited that you're here to hang out with me for a few minutes. Thank you for joining me. My name is Julia, and I'm with Julia Sue's Stamping. Today I have a little bit of a cold, so my voice is a little deeper, a little different than usual. So please forgive me. We'll get through this together. Fortunately, you're not going to be able to catch my cold through the video, so yay. I'm passionate about stamping, coloring, paper crafts, making cards, but most of all, I love sharing the fun of doing all of that with you. So I am with Julia Sue's Stamping, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I live in Northeast Ohio, and I am really happy to share with you a whole bunch of different projects that I made with one thing. It is the Memories and More pack. I don't know if you've seen any of those, but they are little cards that you get, and you can do all these different projects with them. And I did that, so I'm really excited to share some of those projects with you so that you can see how fun this is. As also part of what I'm giving out is my thank you for orders that were placed with me. So I hope that those of you who place the orders are excited to get this, because you're going to get this in your mailbox. So yay. You are with me on the premiere, then please join me in the live chat. I would love to chat with you a little bit, see what's going on, answer your questions. I'm really excited to be here with you, so let me know that you're here so we can hang out together for a little bit. If you are watching the replay, then be sure to leave me a comment. I respond to the comments very quickly, and I love hearing from you. So please leave me a comment, and let's see what's going on. I think that's all I have, and we should get started. Let's go. So as I said in the intro, today I'm going to be using a Memories and More card pack. This card pack is the Mixed Florals, the Mixed Media Florals card pack. And these cards here are 3x4. And look at the size of this pack. It's a lot of cards. You get 2 of each, and they are 2-sided. So it's just absolutely gorgeous. All the different patterns that you get with the different, some of them have words on them, some of them don't, and they're just incredibly gorgeous, really easy to use. I look at them and just think of all the possibilities right away. This here is a pile of 4x6 cards that you get, and again, it's a pretty substantial pile of them, 2 of each, and some of them have some nice words on them. Some of them are obviously more for scrapbook pages, but all of them are just gorgeous. And again, you can just see lots of possibilities with them. And here's one of the smaller ones stuck in there. There you go. Go back with the others where you belong. And another smaller one, but that's okay. You're all in the same family. It's okay. And it's just absolute. This is our story on this one. And like, again, they are 2-sided. So just incredibly gorgeous. And I'm going to make several projects with them just to help show you how versatile they are. I'm going to stick with some very basic colors. Today I've got black and white cardstock. And I will have all the details listed up on my blog, so be sure you check it out. The measurements, I do cut some of these a little bit, and all the measurements of everything, supplies used, are all listed on my blog. So check it out, and it's all up there for you. Let's get started. Oh, and the other cool thing is, I forgot, it has stickers. These are not just ephemera, they are stickers, so they will stick on there. You can go ahead and use dimensionals with them if you want to lift them up and have a little bit of shadow created with them. But again, you got a happy birthday, heartfelt thanks. I love the ones that have surrounded by black too. You're amazing. A note to let you know I'm thinking of you. Celebrate, just absolutely gorgeous. And then cute little ladybugs and stuff. So anyway, these are just incredible. Some banners to use. I think you can see I'm really excited about this. let's get started. And the first one I'm going to share with you today, I've taken a piece of thick basic white cardstock and cut it into the usual card size. So now I'm going to score it. I have it scored rather at 4 1/4, and now I'm going to burnish that. And then I took one of these cards and I cut it so that it was it's 4 inches by 5 1/4. So on the other side, it's got this cool Today little thing, but I really liked this green with the stripes. And I'm going to use some seal on it. Placing it onto the cardstock. And I'm going to take this sticker here. I'm going to lift it up with some dimensionals. I've got a pack that's almost done here, so I'm going to use the edges. All right, lifting this up. And I think I'll put it like down here toward the bottom. Excellent. And I'm going to put this "You're Amazing" word on here as well. And I'm going to, I think, lift it up with just a small dimensional here on this side. Cutting off the edge. There we go. Okay. Because otherwise it's all on here. Oh, I think I'll go ahead and finish it off with a few of these little ladybugs and flowers that are also on here. So just a couple of little flowers, and I think a ladybug, and we're all set. How cute is that? So there's a quick and easy card using the Memories and More with the mixed media florals. And then for the next one, I've got this cute little card here. I'm going to do some layers with it. So I'm starting off with a basic black card base. And I've got a little bit of basic white, some basic black that I'm going to use to frame this beautiful piece here. Let's go ahead and get that together. And just placing it down on here. And now I'm going to frame it with a little bit of the basic white. And I cut the basic white so that it was 1 inch smaller than the base of the card. So it's not exactly correct with the little piece that I've got here. Put some dimensionals on the back of this, lifting it up. And then placing it onto the base of our card. Excellent. I'm also going to put, I think, this little piece on here. I'm going to cut it at an angle, so it's fun here with these little stickers that I have. And just putting it on here like so. I've got the lines on there to help me make it straight-ish. And then the word "celebrate," which I'm going to pop up again with some dimensionals, just these little tiny pieces that I have. I'm going to cut them even smaller so they fit onto this tiny little "celebrate." There we go. Take the paper backing off. Place it on there. Oh yeah, I like that. That is fine. And a few flowers, I think, and we'll be all set with this one. Let's see, we've got a flower right here. I think I'll put one of them up here. And one more down there. And how cute is this? Just a little bit of the basic white on the inside. All right, how cute is this? Really quick and easy, adorable, nice card, and all ready to send out to a friend. For the next card, I again have a base of the basic white. I'm going to go ahead and just fold that on the score line that was created. Then I used this beautiful piece, and on the other side it has this, which would also be an incredibly gorgeous card, like on a black background. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. But I'm using this right now, and I'm going to place that onto the card base. Nice. Then I'm going to put this down here and placing this in the center. I'll lift it up with some dimensionals. Again, just using those edges. Hate to have any of it go to waste. It's all perfectly good to use. Little piece in the center this time. Taking the paper backing off. Putting it right into the center of this beautiful card. And I'm going to have the heartfelt thanks word go across. I think also lift it up. A little bit of dimensionals too. Okay. And I think I'll have half of a half down here on this piece. These are going to be really small. It's sticking to me. There we go. And there. Perfect. It's exactly what I want. Come back here. Okay, and the last paper backing. Okay. Beautiful. So now there is a third card that I was able to just whip out really quickly here with you. So you can see how quick and easy these are. Isn't it beautiful? Let me show you some of the others that I made too. So there's this hooray with a great black and white inside. I couldn't resist a few embellishments, but it's almost like a spotlight card. This is from the pack, and so is this. I simply cut this one down a little bit. How pretty is that? Then this is kind of a little bit more of a spotlight type of card where you have an image that you lift up and you show off with, with circling it with something else, so it spotlights it. This is the from the pack, as well as this is a sticker from it, and I just love how the black shows this off. The black has really helped set everything off, and inside again a little black and white to help make it fun for a sentiment. We've got some ladybugs here. This is a very simple card, good for guys or for gals. This was actually my husband's favorite. And it has a little bit of embellishment, and then inside a little bit of fun with some Poppy Parade, a sticker from the pack. And yeah, this is a fantastic card. And then this is one of my favorites that I created. It's got a little sticker with this circle here at the bottom. The words of just a note to let you know I'm thinking of you. Very simple and yet very impactful. Just a gorgeous card to send to somebody. A clean and simple card with a beautiful layout. So I'm really excited about these. Then there's also this scrapbook page that I created from our Thanksgiving. It was a really good family time hanging out in the car. One of my favorites of my husband. He's not thrilled that I put that on there, but I love this picture, so I had to put it in there. And just our family having a really good time together. These were the only pictures that I ended up getting from the event. There were a lot of other fun pictures, though, that our family all got at our Thanksgiving. That was at my brother's house, my brother and sister-in-law's. So good times, family time, and see how versatile this is to have all of these different cards I created in practically no time at all with things that I had here at home, lots of different card stocks, and very simple too, mostly black and white. I did do a little bit of a Poppy Parade in this one. Otherwise, it's just black and white bases and some little framing of the cards. You can see this is just amazing to me how easy it is to do this. So hey, if you already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, that's fine. If you don't and you choose to use me, I would be honored to help you with any of your crafting needs that you have. I hope that you give these card packs, the Memories and More card packs, a try and see how versatile they are for yourself. That's it. How cool are those projects? All made with the Memories and More pack. It's so versatile, it's so easy to use, and you get a lot of really great projects from it. At a really good price too. So using some things that you probably already have on hand, you can just go to town and have a great time. So anyway, I'm really glad that you joined me today, and I appreciate your support of my small business. Please give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, follow me on social media. All these things help grow my small business, and I really appreciate it. Thanks again for joining me, and I hope you have a fantastic day and that you have a chance to get inky. Bye.